If you want to connect Calendly to HubSpot, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to link the two apps so your scheduling and CRM data can work together more smoothly. This is a great setup if you want to save time, reduce manual entry, and keep your contacts organized automatically. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Integrations and Apps section. This is where Calendly keeps all of its available connections with other tools and platforms. Click on Integrations and Apps to open the Integrations menu. Now use the search bar and search for HubSpot. When HubSpot appears in the results, select it. This will take you to the integration setup page for connecting Calendly with your HubSpot account. On this page, you should see a Connect button. Go ahead and click Connect to start the authorization process. Next, Calendly will ask you to sign in to your HubSpot account. Enter your HubSpot login details and make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one workspace or company portal. After signing in, HubSpot will show you a permission screen asking you to allow Calendly access. This step is important because Calendly needs permission to send data into HubSpot. Click Authorize to grant access. Once you approve it, the two platforms can begin communicating with each other. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to configure sync settings next. If you see sync options, take a moment to review them carefully. This is where you can decide how Calendly should interact with HubSpot, such as how contacts or activity data should be handled. If any choices appear, select the settings that best match your workflow and business needs. Don't rush this part because the sync settings determine how your data moves between the two tools. After you've reviewed everything, click Save. This final step confirms your connection and stores your integration settings. Once saved, Calendly and HubSpot should now be connected, and you can start using the integration to help streamline your lead capture and scheduling process. If you run into any issues, double check that you're signed into the right Calendly and HubSpot accounts and make sure the authorization was fully completed. Sometimes a simple refresh or signing out and back in can help if the connection doesn't appear right away. Also, if your workspace has admin restrictions, you may need additional permissions before the integration will work properly. And that's it. You've now connected Calendly to HubSpot in just a few simple steps. From here, you can use the integration to make your workflow faster, cleaner, and more automated. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on the tools you use every day.